G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset, non-farm payrolls, and free cash Friday. Today we're going to talk about what if you could only trade one day a week, and that day was Friday. That gives you 4 full days to step back and let the market set up templates. You could trade maybe in Asia, you could trade in London, or you could trade in New York. It doesn't have to be a non-farm payrolls Friday, it can be any Friday. And I emphasize that because I repeatedly say the phrases free cash Wednesday, free cash Friday. And inevitably, we come back to the playbook, the opening range and initial balance. If you really master that, we're gonna walk back through several pairs later today. I'm gonna go through the templates. We'll do 20 best dressed pairs in 20 minutes. And just demonstrate the template and the power of stepping back and being able to comprehend what a parabolic setup is and how that builds, and how the front side of a week can be the escalator in sessions. It can move 3 levels, but be escalator all the way up, be difficult to trade. Day 3, day 4 even, can be inside, can be choppy, can be back and forth, can be session scalps. But we get to a parabolic opportunity on free cash Friday. Just forget about free cash Wednesday for now. And there it is, laying on the floor over in the corner. And all you have to do is go over there and pick it up. And I want to separate the idea, say for let's say 25 pip parabolic. A parabolic 3-day, 3-session reversal or trend trade, coiled up market, coiled up on longer time frames. Reversal, whatever that may be, but it's scalable. You can scale that up. It's a 90-10 opportunity. It's not 25 pips. It's a scalable, sizable 25, as opposed to saying I sold the high and scalped 25 off the high. The day that you do that with size is the day that it keeps going another 25 and blows out your whole account because you sized into it. But there's a difference between knowing when you can size into a setup and the type of setup that it is, and when it's just 50-50. I'm going to scalp the high or scalp the low to catch a move. So coming back to understanding free cash Friday, and I want to hammer this home. We're going to see it again next Friday. We're going to see parabolic reversal trades. Could be in Asia, could be in London. And if we get an Asia, London, New York, guess what? And there's major red news, no major red news. It may not come back, or it may give a vertical 100 pips or 50 pips, whatever that may be. Gold today, day 3 longs trapped. Guess where it's going to? Where's the money? If day 3 longs are trapped, where's the money? Maybe at the low of Thursday, which if you go back and look at this chart, go back and look at the chart of gold on day 1, our low failed breakout low of the week, exploded and lifted up, and then came back and put a lower peak formation low in. That becomes our new low of the week on day 2, our initial balance, because they kept going higher. We redraw our levels. Guess where they're going back to today? That level that I drew for the reset on Wednesday corresponds to our new low of the week, and they're not too far away from taking that out. High of the month, low of the week. So anyways, point I'm trying to emphasize is that, one trader said he blew out his account yesterday. It's on Thursday, okay? Blow out your account on Thursday, and I keep saying free cash Wednesday, free cash Friday. Don't blow up on Tuesday, don't blow up on Wednesday. Tuesday, we had parabolic trades on Tuesdays and Thursdays that were 3-session setups. But we had a holiday on Monday, and we're now in a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Why? Maybe because it's a non-farm payrolls week. So I repeat this over and over again. People try to short or go long on day 3 breakouts on a non-farm payrolls week, and what do? They hold it there one more day. Think about that. They hold it there one more day. Are they going to do that every week? No. But on a non-farm payrolls week, I said this over and over, it can be a 4-day setup. We had a holiday Monday, first day of the month yesterday, but it's day 3 longs, day 3 shorts on the yen. They came back down, the high of Asia failed, they rolled over on the news and did a measure move low of the day. They trap shorts down low, they keep them there, start the reversal, higher high, higher low. Payrolls takes it a bit higher, they coil it back, New York Open explodes. And as one trader said, he made 20 pips in 14 minutes or something like that. Fantastic trade. So some traders aren't even getting to Wednesday. And then other traders aren't getting till Friday. But step back and realize one trade on gold today, traders with a small account could have doubled it. Just by holding on, it's gone 200 pips. So, and I know that traders don't want to trade gold. That's because you're trading in the escalator, getting whipsawed. You're getting in and trying to trade news on the escalator on the way up. And as I reinforced with first bounce, remember what the news catalyst momentum idea is. It's not about trying to trade the news. It's about already having a thesis regarding a trade setup in the market, 15-minute, 5-minute, hourly, whatever that may be. But we can't trade it until the news is over. Once the news is over, there could be a huge explosion. Nothing. Could be wicks on both sides. Nothing. Just a bit of movement. Okay, we go back to work. If there's no opportunity after the news, what is the most next important time frame? Second hour, beginning, could be 1 hour up, 1 hour down. Or it could be the New York Open. As I said to several traders that messaged me today after payrolls, is that it? Is the day over? I'm like, New York Open hasn't even started yet. The day hasn't even started. You don't have to trade the news. So I repeat, forget about the news. Focus on the big picture. When is New York Open? 9:30. We had indexes go parabolic. Oil gave a parabolic push, 75 pips. It petered out right at the NYMEX Open. Sideways at the quarter level. Nail and bail. Comes back, boom. Goes up again at the beginning of the second hour. Holds up there, stays up there, goes a bit higher. I don't know what it's done since, but we had opportunities on the euro. Beautiful squeeze. Off the top of my head, a pound Aussie, euro Aussie, I believe continued to go lower. As I said, the Japanese yen, parabolic reversal, day 3 shorts trapped. So there were opportunities everywhere. You know, even on the Asian session, we had first red day pound Aussie heading into Friday morning. Boom, 75 pips, vertical in Asia. Aussie CAD, day 3 reversal. Boom, 25 straight up, but it's a parabolic setup. It's sizable. So stepping back and waiting for 90-10. So if you're guessing and messaging me, like I'm getting all kinds of crazy messages. You know, not to minimize any of the other questions that I'm getting, but I'm getting stuff that people haven't even seen the playbook. They're asking me to explain everything to them. You have to do your homework and understand. You're competing against professionals. I'm there to make money. And there's people who are trading 10 times as big as me who are there to make 10 times as much money. And so as you realize this keeps scaling and growing, okay, there's no end to this. And it's not going to stop because, like somebody said, well, what happens when everybody figures it out? Trust me, you're not going to figure it out. Everybody's not going to figure it out. And they're going to do other stuff in between, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But for whatever reason, they're going to take other trades. They're going to over leverage on a stupid 70-30 against them setup, trying to, like people today, trying to buy the low of gold. It's Friday. After non-farm payrolls, day 3 longs trapped. They aren't coming back. Think. So, anyways, if you could only trade 1 day a week, think about what that means. You have all this time, and people say, oh yeah, but I'd miss out on all these other trades. How is your trading going? We're not talking about where you could scalp here, scalp there. Remember, where can size be made? If price is always in a box, I want to maybe sell the high of that box to the low of the box, or buy the low of the box to the top of the box. Think about that. Powerful, powerful, powerful opportunities. Rinse and repeat. Scale it up in size. Have a great day, traders. Free Cash Friday did not disappoint. I'm going to keep saying it. I'm going to keep saying it over and over again because people, I know I'm getting other emails. People are sick of me saying it. I'm going to keep saying it because it's going to be there next week, Friday. It's either going to be a reversal, continuation, or a range-bound market. Continuation and parabolic reversal setups, 90-10 opportunities. Range-bound, 50-50. They might move, they might not. They might break out, they might pull back, whatever. But I want the sizable, scalable, parabolic opportunities. Free Cash Fridays. Think about that. Go and study. Go do your homework. We'll talk about this later this afternoon, and we'll walk through the templates because I said at the beginning of the week, holiday week, 3-day weekend, we're going to have some big moves, new month, and a non-farm payrolls Friday. Have a great day. Enjoy, celebrate. Celebrate your wins, learn from your losses. Enjoy every moment you're here, and have a great day, traders. May the markets go with you.